Welcome back students. Today we are going to learn about nitrogen cycle. Now nitrogen cycle is basically divided into 5 major points. We will go point by point so that you can easily write it and you can elaborate it in exam paper very nicely. Okay, so the first point is about the importance of nitrogen. So why is nitrogen important? Nitrogen is important because without nitrogen, basic building blocks, molecules like amino acid, DNA, RNA, they cannot be formed. And without this material or without these molecules, our body cannot take shape. So nitrogen is extremely important for building of any living being body. Now nitrogen is available in ample, 78% in atmosphere. But the problem is that there are no living being which can take up nitrogen directly with respiration. So how do nitrogen enter in living being? That is our second point. So second point is about lightning. Remember the clue, lightning. So when lightning happens, oxygen and nitrogen combines with each other and forms nitrogen dioxide. Now this nitrogen dioxide dissolves in water and forms nitric acid, which goes deep into the soil. So nitrogen has entered the soil now in form of nitrate or nitrite. Now this nitrate and nitrite are quite absorbable by plants. So they absorb it with water and now the nitrogen has entered plant body. Now plant will make protein, DNA, RNA, amino acid, etc. And these plants will be of course eaten up by herbivores. Herbivores will be eaten up by carnivores. Carnivores will be eaten up by higher order carnivores and then ultimately decomposers. Decomposers again will give this nitrate and nitrite back to soil. So this is one internal cycle which keeps on going. Now third point is leguminous plants. Remember the clue, leguminous plant. In the root nodule of leguminous plant or lentils, there lies rhizobium and azotobacter. Now this bacteria usually inhales nitrogen from atmosphere and exhales nitrate and nitrite into the soil. This is how nitrogen or atmospheric nitrogen is fixed into the soil. This process is known as nitrification. So nitrification is done by such bacteria which lives in root nodules of leguminous plant. Fourth point, there is one more way by which nitrogen enters the living body or living being, and that is the dead body. Remember the clue, dead body. Dead body of living being is when decomposed, right? We have eaten up a lot of proteins throughout the life, and this protein will again decompose and get back to the soil in form of nitrate and nitrite, which again can be taken up by plant, and you know the rest of the story. From plant to herbivores, herbivores to carnivores, and so on. So this is how nitrogen is utilized from the atmosphere by the living beings. So the question is that if we keep on utilizing nitrogen, slowly the atmospheric nitrogen would go down from 78 to 76 to 75 to 70, but that doesn't seem to happen. So how? So that is our fifth point. The clue is denitrification. Remember the clue, fifth point, denitrification. There are bacteria like Pseudomonas and blue-green algae. Now what do these guys do? They inhale nitrate and nitrite and exhale nitrogen molecule or nitrogen as a gas to the atmosphere. So this is how nitrogen is given back to atmosphere, and this way 78% of nitrogen is constantly maintained in the atmosphere. So guys, these are 5 points. You can remember these 5 points easily and write in your own words. Thank you very much. See you again. So if you understood the concept, so please like the video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe this channel for further updates. Thank you very much. Keep up supporting.